Right, guys, we're having a jamming
Yeah.
with our good friends Melissa and my best friend in all the world, Ralph, and my little babies.
Say hi, guys.
And what we're doing is we're giving them some baked beans and egg on toast.
Yeah.
Because our other good friends in the UK, Adrian and Connie, sent us a bulk buy-in box with loads of goodies, soups, but we'll see. So we're doing karaoke and we're having a drinky pumps. Mel's even had a San Mig apple and she's drunk it all. Can't believe it.
It looks yummy.
Oh, we will try it. We will try now.
It looks yummy.
It looks yummy.
But is it yummy?
It looks yummy.
Yeah,
Because we are Filipino, we are not
Two beans
tasted
on
like
a
this.
Just like this. Oh, Mia, Mateo, you like this.
You eat like this one, Tintin. Just hold it.
Nice.
Of course it's nice.
Very delicious.
It's nice cookie.
It's good.
Delicious.
We
You
have
like-
beans here, but it's sweet.
Yeah.
Not taste like this.
The beans,
Yeah, it's different.
the beans we have here, guys, is like beans and sausage. Yeah, the beans and sausage in the UK is actually beans with sausage in it, but it's like in the sauce. It's not, you know, there's no sausage.
It's very delicious, guys.
Thank you again, Adrian. and
Thanks, Adrian and Connie.
Yeah.
So we're having a jamming.
Try
This is going on for, I don't know, quite a long time, I guess.
Like it.
We've invited, no, I better not say that. We've invited another friend. So far he's not turned up, but he may come later. We just want to.
Do you like it? You like? Yeah.
You like?
Yeah, it's
Oh,
delicious. My
you
son
like
likes,
it?
That's
My son likes it too, kuya.
Yeah,
You like?
from the UK.
Delicious.
It's
Because
good.
we are not taste like this one.
This is
Calm down, calm down.
this is what I lived on. I had 3 houses in the UK, guys. A Mercedes, a Suzuki Swift, Suzuki 650 motorbike, but I couldn't afford to put fuel in the cars. I was in that much debt, and this is what I lived on: beans and soup, basically. So is that the thumbnail? Yeah. So it's not a long video. We'll show you the edit all at the end. But you see, she's eating it because she likes it. Look. What then?
Before it's like that.
Yeah. Sorry about the hands thing as well, guys. I've got this habit when I'm talking, and I'm using my hands.
It's very yummy.
So we'll see if they eat it, guys.
Yeah, masarap
See you in a
kami
minute.
din.
There you go, guys. It's all gone.
Yeah.
Even my name I forgot because it's so delicious.
You forgot your name?
Yes.
Oh. Did you
So
like it?
delicious.
Did you like it, Melissa?
Very much. So very
They want more yet. It's
No.
starting now.
They wanted more, and there's no more left.
It's
Ralph, Mrs. Picky there was doing what she always does with the food and messes with it. So, do you like the beans, Mel?
Yes. You very like it.
You very like it.
Yeah.
What kind of English is that? You very like it. Is that
You
Carabao?
very like it. Very like
It's very cold.
Sophia, how's your English? Is it good? No.
How old are you?
5.
What's your name?
What's your name? What's your name?
What is your name?
What's your name, Matthew?
What's your name, Matthew?
Well, I'm just giving you a hint.
Matthews
Louder.
Matthew's your name.
Louder.
Wren.
Matthew Wyman. What's that mean?
Why? Wren.
Oh, Matthew Wren. What's your name?
Sophia Grace and Wren White.
Oh, okay. What's your name?
I don't know. I can't remember my name after I
Melody.
eat that.
What's your name?
I don't know because
Are you my
when
best friend?
Melissa also wants to eat her plate
Take a plate.
because it's very delicious.
There you go. Look at that face.
Let's end the video.
Show them what you got on your lip. What's that about?
Yeah, I don't know what's that. Chris said it's a wart. It's not a wart.
I don't know. Well, looks like a wart, doesn't it? Don't know what it is, and now she's got it on her lip. But so anyway, we're supposed to be getting another guest, but he's obviously not coming now. So it's just us.
Yeah, it's okay.
It's okay. So that's it, guys. It was just a short video. I hope you enjoyed it. It's about 5 minutes, which people say you've got to keep the videos down to like 5-6 minutes. So that's what we're doing. So we're jamming in the Philippines. The weather is quite cool.
Yeah, it's very cold.
So we don't need fans. We certainly don't need any aircon. So we'll see you on the next one, guys. Thanks for supporting the channel. We appreciate it. And we'll see you on the
Shout
next
out
one.
to Kieran.
Kieran, all my friends, Adrian,
And
Connie,
Yeah,
thank you
shout
so
out
much.
To Adrian and Ate Connie.
Yeah, and Rick
And that's it.
and
Michelle.
Michelle.
Yeah.
Thank you very much, guys.
Thank you.
See you on the next
Bye-bye.
one. Bye bye.